Hi, ladies and gentlemen. In this quick tutorial, I just want to give you some information on the File menu in Act. If I go up and click on the File menu right here, we have a lot of options. In this area, I can create a new database. I can open an existing database. I can close the database. I can save a database or save a copy as. And I'll talk to you real quick about save copy as. If you want to make an entire backup, an exact copy of your database, you can use save copy as to do that. In this case, it would copy the database I have open. And when I go and do a save copy as, it will allow me to save it with a unique name. So a lot of times if I'm making major changes to my database, deleting some things, or want to really change it, this is a quick and easy way to do a save copy as that database or copy the database. Also, maybe at the end of the year, you're deciding you want to get rid of some of your old histories and clean up the database a little bit. By doing a save copy as, you could save it as database before deleting old data or something like that. You can also move a database. This is something I don't do that often, but you can move it to another computer if necessary. You can import data from here, export, and you can also create a backup. You can create a backup, a manual backup of your database. You can also, if you need to take that database, you can restore it from this file menu. You can restore it on a different computer, or if you're given a database, you can restore it here. You can set a password. You can print things. You can do a quick print window. To be honest with you, I'm not a big print guy. I try to get people not to think about printing too much, because when you print it and get it on paper, you sort of lose the fact that changes you make or updates or notes, if you write it on a piece of paper, eventually it's got to get back to Act. So in my mind, it's like, what's the point? Do all your work right within Act. Also down below, it lists the last 4 databases you had open. So for example, if you have more than one database and you've recently opened it, you can get to it right here instead of having to go navigate. So that's a quick overview of the file menu. And I want to thank you for being here. You have a great day. Bye now.